Dear students, today your class started once again. Topic planning and subject BST and class 12. You know myself, Vijay Pratap Singh, teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Baja. Now your topic is started planning. Before that, I had told about the planning and importance of planning. Now your topic is came here. Importance of planning. Before that we had read about it. Before in last lecture I explained about it in detail. Now we have to come on the point importance of planning. So we have to read here why planning is an important part of our daily life, why planning is an important part for us. We have to read here with the help of a short note and some few important notes I have written on the board, and you have to make it and be sure and sort out it on the copy. Solution first one is that planning provide direction. So dear students, when we will do any work with the help of planning, so planning will provide us a direction. डायरेक्शन मीन दिशा निर्देश. अगर हम कोई काम प्लानिंग के अंतर्गत करते हैं तो हमें प्लान से ही पता चलता है अगला स्टेप क्या लेना है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लान ओनली वी कैन डू नेक्स्ट स्टेप एंड प्लान विल प्रोवाइड अस ए नेक्स्ट डायरेक्शन. सो दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्लानिंग. सेकंड वन इज प्लानिंग रिड्यूस द रिस्क. What is the meaning of reduce the risk? If we will do any work with the help of planning, then our risk will be reduced. हमारे रिस्क क्या हो जाएंगे? कम हो जाएंगे. आप कोई भी काम करोगे प्लानिंग के अंतर्गत तो आपको उसमें रिस्क नहीं होगा and your work will be 100% safe and you can able to do your work in proper way. That's why when you will do any work with the help of planning, it will reduce your own risk. After that, third one is there, planning reduce wasteful activities. Wasteful activities. Wasteful activity means which one activities we are going to waste. A lot of wastage are there without planning. अगर बिना प्लान के आप अगर कोई काम करते हो तो बहुत कुछ वेस्ट हो जाता है. मटेरियल वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, समय वेस्ट होगा, पैसा वेस्ट होगा. बट व्हेन वी विल डू एनी वर्क विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लानिंग, नथिंग वेस्टफुल मटेरियल शुड बी देयर एंड नो वेस्टफुल टाइम शुड बी देयर. इट शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड. विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लानिंग ओनली वी कैन एबल टू रिड्यूस दिस टाइप ऑफ वेस्टफुल एक्टिविटीज. नेक्स्ट वन, प्लानिंग प्रमोट्स इनोवेटिव आइडियाज. Innovative ideas. Who is promoting? Planning is promoting. When we will do a work with the help of plan, we will get a lot of ideas with the help of plan. That's why we will do our each and every activity with the help of planning. When we will do a plan, when we will make a plan, we will get a lot of innovative ideas. That's why it is a very important part of our business. So planning is a very important and ideas are also very important in the same process. So when you will think first plan, then second plan automatically will come in your mind. Otherwise nothing will be there. Third one, next one, decision making. You can able to take a decision when your plan is the better. Importance of plan, decision making. When you will make a plan and when you will follow a plan, you can able to take a decision. With the help of that, you can able to make decision, you can able to follow decision. When you will make a decision according to plan and planning, it will be successful. But there is no guarantee, but it should be successful and importance of planning should be there. So next one, planning is established controlling. We can say that planning established controlling. establish controlling. With the help of planning, we can control our business activities. We can able to control our each and every activity with the help of planning. So planning is a very important part of our business, and activities should be also important part of our controlling. With the help of that, we can able to establish each and every activity behalf of planning. Next one, focus attraction. So students, we have to be focused with the help of planning. The important part is that with the help of planning, we can focus and we get attention what is there and what we want to do now and what we will do in the future. So with the help of planning, we can give attention in the particular work. With the help of that, we can achieve success. So once again, we have to listen importance of planning. First one is that planning provide direction. Second, planning reduce the risk. Third one, planning reduce wasteful activities. Next one, planning promotes innovative ideas. Next one, planning decision making. Next one, planning establish controlling. And last one is that focus attention. With the help of planning, we can able to focus, we can able to make attention in our activities. So this is the importance of planning. And next one is our limitation of planning. Now we will read what is the limit, and between that our planning is working. So here I have written the topic limitation of planning. So we have to see and write it. Make a note. It's a short note and very important information for you. So that's why first one is that planning leads to rightly. Dear students, when you will make a plan, you have to follow hardly. This is the important part of that. Lightly means कठोरता पूर्वक या कठोरता से. When you will make a plan, you have to follow. Otherwise, plan will not success and it will make a problem. It will not successful. That's why it should be limitation. When you will make a plan, you have to follow. And प्लान कठोरता से पालन करने पे ही सक्सेसफुल होता है, हमें कठोरता देता है, हमारे साथ दया दृष्टि नहीं रखता. That's why we need because the planning leads to guideline. Next one, planning may not work in dynamic environment. Planning may not work in dynamic environment. Behalf of that, we can say that planning will not work in the dynamic management, otherwise in environment. Where is the work in a proper way, work is going in a dynamic way, the planning will not work there. There is no need of a planning, because if you are working in proper way, your company is at the number 1 position, then no need to make another plan. You have to follow your old plan. Next one, it reduces creativity. With the help of that, your planning limitation is here. Planning reduce creativity. If you will make a plan, you have to follow, then creativity will stop there. Then it should be reduced. With the help of plan, what is the given a plan, same you have to follow. Another thing you can't able to think. That's why it reduces creativity. Next one, planning involves huge cost. When we will make a plan and we have to follow it, it will take a huge cost. It will work with the help of only huge cost, and we have to pay limitation, time, activity, cost, a lot of goods and services we have to keep inside. That's why planning involves huge cost. Next one, it is time consuming process. Dear students, when we will make a plan, with the help of that we will do if any work, it is a time taking process. It will consume a time. With the help of that we can able to do our work. So next limitation of planning is time consuming process. And next one, planning does not give guarantee of success. So when we will make a plan, if we are following, then it is the better. But if you will get success, then your plan is the better and you have got success. But if you are unsuccess, if you not get a success, then you can say that, you can't say that my planning is not better. But problem is that planning does not give guarantee of success, because you had made a plan, you had followed your own plan. If you will not success, then it should be also limitation of planning. With the help of that, we can say that planning does not give guarantee of success. Next one, lack of accuracy, limitation of planning. Next topic and last one is here, lack of accuracy. So this is also limitation of planning. Behalf of that, we can say that planning is a very important part of our daily life, but limitation is also there. So once again, you have to see what is the limitation of planning. First one, planning leads too rightly. Planning may not work in dynamic environment. Next, it reduces creativity. Planning involves huge cost. It is time consuming process. Planning does not give guarantee success. And last one, lack of accuracy. The both topic is in front of you. You have to write and make a note. And if any doubts will be there, you have to write in comment and ask about your doubt. And next lecture we have to clear it. Thank you for that and listening my voice.